What a day. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Kirby and this is a day in the life of a mobile mechanic. I wasn't going to film this one, it's just a quick oil change on this Honda CR-V. But he's also complained of a smoking coming from the engine. And it's quite a smell of exhaust fumes. Don't know if you can hear that. But there's also a bit of a whistle, so we'll see what we can find. Okay, I don't know if it's going to pick that up, but we've got something here. Just got to figure out where that's coming from. Right, so I've checked underneath. There's no smoke coming from lower down anywhere, any of the joins. And only real place that this is going to come from, as you can see the smoke moving this way. I don't know if I'll pick it up on camera. And the only thing that's going to be there is the exhaust manifold. Right, that one's done. Obviously didn't show you the service because who wants to see that? It's just an oil change. And I suspect it's going to be the exhaust manifold gasket. There's not much else that can leak smoke from around there unless it's the actual exhaust manifold or manifold to turbo. But until I get some of those covers off, I won't know for certain, but I didn't want to remove any of them now because of a lot of the bolts are rusty. And as you can see by the service book, this is a good customer, good loyal customer of mine, so we'll look after him on that one. Right, we'll see you at the next one. Right, we are back on this Mini Cooper from last week that I diagnosed the wheel bearing. And I fixed this trim here. The exhaust is still flapping about. And for all you guys, look, I've got plenty of safety on today. So thanks for having me in mind when it comes to health and safety. Just going to get this disc off, get this caliper off, and then there's 4 bolts up the back. And there we have a nice brand new wheel bearing, and it no longer spins freely as it did in the last video. Right, now you might see me do a lot of brakes on this channel, or you know, but I'm just vlogging what I do day to day. Now these brakes, or these pads, they've been done recently. There's quite a heavy lip on this disc. I bet you if I was to measure this would be lower than the minimum thickness. Unfortunately, my battery has died in my measurement tool. So I've just slapped some new pads on it. And look at the state of these. Look at it. They've not cleaned up anything. I bet they haven't taken off these pins. Yeah, brakes are very easy, but also very easy for people to get wrong. But anyway, I'm going to slap them back on. clean them. I'll clean this side up, and I'll put it back together. Last job of the day, we got this 3 series, and it's in for a damaged crankshaft pulley, and we are replacing it with a nice INA kit. The belt is in good condition still. It looks fairly new, so we're going to keep that. And there's obviously a cat or something that doesn't like where this car is parked. It's left a big dookie on the scuttle. But anyway, yes, we've just got to get these bolts out here, take the pulley off, slap the new one on, job done. I think I've got that spot on. Just got the mirror there, just to line up the holes. So if I go in one of these, just going to put these in for now. I would have thought this kit comes with new bolts, but it hasn't, which is a little bit off-putting. But we're just going to do these up. Voila. And I thought it comes with a cover. I reckon this box has been opened before. You know what I'm going to say, don't you? Bloody Eurocar parts. They're going to ban me one day, I'm sure. But if they do, they do. That's obviously going to go around there. 16 on there. Take 2. Right, nice early finish. Even had time to go get a haircut, looking fresh. Nice easy day, bit of varied work there. Hope you've all enjoyed today. I'll try and get some more interesting work in, because yeah, sometimes, you know, you just got to balance up just getting the work done. There's all your what I call cream work, your brakes, your servicing. You have to do those sort of jobs to get by. But I realise sometimes it just doesn't make that great a content, you know. The people who watch this, are you mechanics? Are you in the trade? Are you just someone that has an interest in cars? Or are you from some sort of other channel? You like watching carpenters or just day in the life videos? Let me know in the comment section anyway. So hope you've all enjoyed it. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please just hit that button at the bottom of the screen, subscribe, drop me a comment, let me know you're new here, drop the video a like, and you know, share it with your friends. Let's get it out there. See you on the next one.